Hey everyone, this is Karen Dustin. Hope you all doing well. In today's video, I'll be talking about can intermittent fasting boost gut health. So if you like the video related to total health related to intermittent fasting, I would like to request you all please do like, share, subscribe this video so that I will come up with more and more content. So here we begin. Let's go. Can intermittent fasting boost gut health? Intermittent fasting has gained recent hype in the health and wellness industry. In fact, in 2019, intermittent fasting was one of the most searched diet according to Google Trend. So while intermittent fasting may not be for everyone, research suggests that intermittent fasting may provide significant health benefit, especially for improved gut health. So this video will explore that what intermittent fasting is as well as the benefits of intermittent fasting with a particular emphasis on how this pattern of eating can boost gut health. Now, first of all, we will talk about what is intermittent fasting. Before delving into the details of how exactly intermittent fasting may improve gut health, it's important to understand what intermittent fasting is. Unlike many fad diets, intermittent fasting does not dictate what you can and cannot eat, but rather places emphasis on the timing of eating. Now, how to do intermittent fasting? There are many ways in which someone could choose to integrate intermittent fasting into his or her lifestyle. So, one of the most common methods is called the 16:8 method, in which fasting occurs for 16 hours daily, while eating occurs for 8 hours. For example, eating may occur between the hour of 12 to 8 p.m. Other version of intermittent fasting may include fasting for 24 hours once per week or restricting calories to 500 to 600 calories daily a couple times per week. Research suggests that intermittent fasting creates physiological changes within the body that may provide health benefit, which will be discussed in the next section. Now, what are the benefits of intermittent fasting? Such studies suggest that intermittent fasting may in fact have many health benefits. Some of the most significant benefits include improvement to the immune system, as intermittent fasting can reduce inflammation and insulin resistance, which in turn helps you strengthen the immune system too. Other benefits include enhanced mental clarity, health or heart health benefits, blood sugar regulation, and improving the health of the gut. In fact, the research surrounding intermittent fasting and how it relates to gut health is on the rise. So, this video will focus primarily on intermittent fasting and gut health. Now, how does fasting help gut health? Now, may strengthen the gut barrier. This gut is hard at work digesting the many foods we feed it on a daily basis. Fasting enables the gut to rest and restore so it can function optimally. This may be especially pertinent to those with increased gut permeability, otherwise known as leaky gut, a situation in which gut lining is weakened, allowing toxins and food particles to easily enter the bloodstream. This can trigger an inflammatory process and symptoms such as headache, fatigue, and bloat. Research suggests that intermittent fasting may improve our gut barrier function. One way it does this is by enhancing antioxidative pathways and even reversing inflammation in the intestine, as seen in the clinical studies. Now, it may boost microbiome diversity. Research also suggests that intermittent fasting increases microbial diversity. It is widely accepted that a more diverse bacterial environment in our intestines lead to a healthier gut function. The bacteria in our gut play an important role in many aspects of our health. Some bacteria help synthesize certain vitamins such as vitamin K, vitamin B12, or thiamine. Other bacteria help ferment fiber from our food and produce compound called short chain fatty acid. Some example of short chain fatty acid include acetate, butyrate, and propionate. These short chain fatty acids are vital to maintaining a healthy environment in the gut and in turn our immune system and metabolic function. So because different gut bacteria are responsible for different function, it's important to have a healthy and diverse environment of intestinal bacteria for optimal health and gut function. In order to optimize the diversity of our gut bacteria, intermittent fasting is a great dietary practice to encourage gut microbiome diversity. Now, it may improve gut motility. Gut motility is a coordinated movement of the gut muscles to keep our food moving through our digestive system from start to finish. So, normal gut motility is vital for the movement of food, bacteria, and waste through our digestive tract. Research suggests that intermittent fasting may play a role in regulating an important feature of gut motility, the migrating motor complex. Or the migrating motor complex is a system of nerves in the intestine that causes cyclic wave like patterns throughout the gut. These cyclic patterns act as cleansing waves in the gut, helping to move out bacteria from the small intestine to the large intestine where most of it belongs. So now the other tips to optimize gut health. Beside intermittent fasting, there are many things we can do to optimize gut health. However, it's important to keep in mind that the gut is quite complex and there is definitely no one size fits all approach. So depending on individualized bacterial makeup, pre-existing condition as well as dietary and lifestyle habits, the best intervention will very likely vary for different people. However, there are some simple steps that we all can take to boost the overall health of our digestive system. Now here are few tips. Hydrate, exercise regularly, eat a fiber rich diet, consume probiotic rich food, practice mindfulness and or you can say meditation. Now, the best way to break a fast. When breaking a fast, it's important to consume nutrient dense, nourishing food that are rich in vitamin, mineral, protein, and healthy fat. Consuming collagen protein is a great source of protein to break a fast, while intermittent fasting, so plus there may be added benefits of consuming collagen for gut health too. So that's all about the intermittent fasting in this video. I'll definitely come in the next video with my another content. Till then, God bless you. Bye bye and take care.